Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again, click on Screen Refresh Rate and tap on the best option for you, High or Standard. I will go with Standard, so when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Oppo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!